Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting the column that holds names. Make sure there's a clear header. In a new helper column, enter a formula that flags duplicates so you preserve original data. For example, in row 2 type equals countif, $1.2, $A, $A2, 1 to return true for repeats. Once done, drag or double-click the fill handle to apply it to all rows so every name is evaluated. This gives you an immediate visual indicator and a reliable column to filter or format from. Now you decide how to act on flagged names. You can apply a filter to show only true values, which isolates duplicates for review. Alternatively, use conditional formatting with a custom formula like equals countif, $A, $A2, when to highlight duplicates across the sheet. If you need a separate list, use filter or unique. For example, equals unique filter, A2, A countif, A2, A, A2, A1, to produce a concise duplicate list. These options let you audit, move, or remove To finish, decide whether to remove duplicates or reconcile them manually. Use data cleanup, remove duplicates to delete exact duplicate rows, but make sure you've backed up first. If you prefer manual review, filter the helper column and edit entries one by one. If formulas return unexpected results, check that your ranges use absolute references like $, $2, and that there are no leading / trailing spaces. Use trim or clean to fix white space. This resolves most common counting errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.